If you've been searching for that perfect blend of country living, functional infrastructure, and room to breathe, this property just outside Brooklyn, Wisconsin might be exactly what you've been waiting for. Welcome to 4613 West Rutland Road in Dane County. 7.37 acres of gently rolling southern Wisconsin landscape priced at $1,135,000. The centerpiece of this property is a spacious tri-level home built in 1988, approximately 3,230 square feet of living space designed to feel both open and private. Four bedrooms, 2 full baths, and 2 half baths give you plenty of room for family, guests, or a home office setup. Step inside and you'll find a functional multi-level floor plan with large windows throughout, the kind that frame that rolling Dane County landscape and fill every room with natural light. 2 fireplaces add warmth and character, and the finished walkout basement adds even more flexible living space. The home comes equipped with central air, forced air heat, a full appliance package, and a water softener, everything you need to move right in. Now, what really sets this property apart is the infrastructure outside those 4 walls. A major Cleary outbuilding and an additional Morton building give you serious, purpose-built space for equipment, livestock, a workshop, or all 3. Whether you're running a hobby farm, storing recreational equipment, or setting up a small agricultural operation, these buildings are ready to work as hard as you do. The open, gently rolling acreage is well suited for hobby farming, gardening, or small livestock. There's real privacy here, real rural character, but you're still just a short drive from Brooklyn and the surrounding communities of southern Dane County. This is a new listing, and properties like this don't stay available long in Dane County. To schedule a showing or get more information, reach out to me directly, Luke Philback with Land Guys, at 608-341-8953. I'd love to walk this property with you.